Hey everyone, it's Desiree and I'm here for Scrapping for Less with another design team project. Now you may have seen this stamp set before. I'm going to link to the video either up on the screen or down in the box below. But this was part of the Flavor of the Month kit for July of 2018. And it's one of those small stamp sets. They're at a great price point, but they are smaller. Not smaller images per se, but less images, fewer images. So kind of a dual thing here. I want to show you what you could do with these images, just something else to make. It doesn't have to be a card, yay. And if you do like this stamp set, or if you think that you missed out on that kit, it is still available in the shop, and I will have that linked down below. So you can see I'm stamping my images, and I'm using my VersaFine black ink, and I'm stamping on Bristol cardstock. So I stamped 2 of the cakes. I have Make-A-Wish stamped, and I'm putting some stars around it now. And again, all of these stamps did come from that small Sunny Studios stamp set. So I dug into my Arteza Real Brush pens because I really do enjoy these, and I'm going to color these images in. Now I am going to leave all the coloring in, but you can see I'm just putting a little bit of color down in an area. I'm only using one color. There's only one spot where I use 2 colors, and that's the flames. But then to move this color around, I am using a watercolor brush and a little bit of water. So that's all I'm doing. Here you saw that I started out with the red, and then I pulled that out with the yellow just to blend that out. This is very quick and easy coloring. I'm going to play some music so that you can watch this, and I'll be right back with you. Okay, and we are back. So now that we have our images colored, I'm going to use a circle stitch die from my stash, and I've cut the 4 colored images and I cut 4 blank ones. So what we're going to make here are cake toppers. So you can either put them on a cake or you can put them on a cupcake. for a nice celebration. Maybe you don't want to have candles. These can be a substitute. So on the plain white ones, what I'm going to do, I'm using my double-sided adhesive, and I'm just covering that circle, but I'm putting the toothpick down first, and I'm going over that with the tape. So that toothpick will be in between these two layers. I'm making sure there are 2 strips of the tape going over the toothpick just to make sure that it does stay in place. Once I have all of those put together, I'm then going to peel off the backing. You can see I'm having all kinds of fun with that. It's very temperamental. And I'm going to place the colored images right over that and make sure that I press around to make sure that I have everything adhered together around the entire image. It does help if you use your bone folder or a paper creaser to smooth down your double-sided tape. It does help to get a better contact so you can remove the release paper a lot easier. Yes, trust me, it does work. So those are our 4 cake toppers. Now, of course, we've got to have a lot of glitter. We've got to have a lot of sparkle on these because it's a celebration. Absolutely. So I'm using my Nuvo Deluxe adhesive, and I'm just putting 3 glue dots, and I've pulled out my iridescent sequins, and I'm going to put those, I'm going to put 3 on each one of my cake toppers. Once I have those put on, I'm then going to come in with even more glitter. So the tool that I'm using to put my sequins on is called a wax pencil. It's actually used in nail art when they put the gems on your nails, and I get mine from Amazon. So they're just search for wax pencil and you should find them. They are very reasonable. You do have to buy a big box, but it is very reasonable. So after I have my sequins on, I'm coming in with my Nuvo glitter drops called Gold Coast. And I've just set some of that drop inside the sequin just to give it some more sparkle and shine. So I hope you enjoyed this project, and just look at your stamps, especially the smaller ones. Sometimes we get them because we collect them. That would be me. Sometimes we get them because we just think they're just adorable. That would be me also. But then we sometimes forget about them. So they can be used for other things. Some of the images can be used on your other cards, where there's a little heart or a star or anything like that. So hopefully this gets you to look at your stamps and stretch them a little bit farther. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do so. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss any more designs coming out. The products that I used, the stamp set, will be listed down below, along with many other links for scrapping for less. I hope everyone's having a great day, and I hope you're enjoying the wonderful weekend, at least here. We're actually having some good weather. But remember what's most important, always be creative.